Recently, some netizens left a message saying that, "He's here today. I want a powerful, fuel-efficient excavator. UJ-A05 engine maximum power 118千瓦 Sufficient power reserve. New exhaust after-treatment system. Load-sensitive hydraulic system. Low speed can meet daily operation needs. Fully hydraulic drive. More ability to get out of trouble. Dual hydraulic wheel braking system. Braking performance full double guarantee is safer. Standard 4.6 meter boom plus 2.5 meter bucket rod. Increase bucket width. 1 meter bucket capacity can reach 0.57 cubic meters. Efficient miracles. Loaded main girder body structure. Large section terrain side beams weigh up to 2.1 tons. Stable and spacious cab. The field of view is open and unobstructed. Keyless start function can be realized. High-definition dual-channel surveillance video. Carry out safety to the end. Large storage box. Items and tools can be easily carried in the automotive-grade high-specification lighting configuration. High performance, high value and high cost performance. All in XinYuan C150 series.